Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. If you're spending time on your ReelShort, you probably want to make sure your profile reflects your style and preferences, right? Today I'm going to walk you through how to manage your profile on ReelShort, whether you want to update your details, change your picture, or customize your settings. You can go ahead and open up the ReelShort, right? And as you can see right here in your profile at the bottom right, you're gonna see that I have it logged in. So you can see 4 options: Facebook, Apple, Google, and TikTok. So I'm gonna use Facebook for that matter and continue, right? And as you can see right here, I've logged in as myself, right? So now what I can do is I can go to earn rewards from here, or you can see right here my list. I can edit my list to remove the shows that I don't like. Okay, I can remove them, or I can see the history right here of the shows that I'm currently watching, or history of shows that I saw on my feed, right? And if I want to change it, you can do the same right here. You can see my list history, click the pencil, and then select all and delete, and double click to remove, right? Another way of fixing your profile, you can see right here, language. If you want to change your language to your native language, you can go ahead and change it. If you don't, just keep it right there. And you're gonna see right here the settings, terms of service, privacy policy, and delete account or clear cache if ReelShort take such space. And double click right here to clear the space, right? And you can see right here I cannot change my name or my profile picture because I linked my account to other platforms. I use social media, so I won't be able to do that. But for now, you're gonna be able to edit your profile using these tools that I just mentioned. All right, so that's it. Managing your profile on ReelShort is super easy once you know where everything is. Now you can keep your profile fresh, personalize it, and control your privacy. Let me know in the comments if you have any profile management tips of your own. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.